Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsa Vlogs jewelry or fashion jewelry review. Okay, I have here a bracelet, guys. This is a real stone. This is made of real gold 14 carats, and this is made of real Swarovski stone. This is Swarovski stone. This is Topaz. And this is also topaz, but different types of different shape. Okay, but this is all topaz. Since I am born November, my zodiac sign is uh, Scorpion, so this is the color for the Scorpion, the topaz, the birdstone. So this is my bracelet, this is my necklace, and this is my ring match for this bracelet, this one. And I have also some earrings. So we will just review this one. So be professional in choosing the right color combination of your outfit that will match really to your accessories. Okay, either fashion accessories or uh, real gold. Okay, so don't wear accessories which is your color is beige and the matching color is gold. Okay, because this is beige, or some combination is brown, or some with crystal. Look at here. Okay, so you have to choose the correct color combination for your accessories. Be professional. Huwag yung basta na lang na mamulot ka dyan ng accessories tapos hindi bagay. Kasi para kang Christmas tree. You look like a Christmas tree if you are wearing different accessories. When your accessories have glitters like this, so you have also to choose an accessories that will also suit to the color of your outfit. Because if you are going to match your outfit like green or red, but your outfit is something gold, like this, something gold and something silver or crystal, so it's very far from the color that you are going to match to your outfit. So that you will not be annoyed. So it's annoying if somebody will laugh at you when the when people are looking at you, especially when you go to the party or some special occasion and you look like a Christmas tree because your colors are different. Okay, so don't be like a joker kasi ikaw ang pagtawanan dyan. So even if your accessories is not expensive, at least it is presentable. Okay, so choose the correct accessories that will match to your outfit, not that anything you like to choose and it will fit. No, and you have also to choose the correct accessories uh, that will match to the occasion. If for example you're going to a wedding or you're going to a ballroom and you're wearing a long gown and your gown is silver or gold, so you have also to match the right accessories for your outfit, guys. Okay, so that is our product review for today, and I hope you learn and you get an idea on how to be professional in choosing your fashion accessories that will match to your outfit. Okay. Hindi yung basta-basta na lang na magsuot ka ng mga burluloy dyan. if you are looking like a king koi, or you look like a cowboy, you have also to wear the accessories, the bracelet, the jungle type accessories, because uh, eh, the people will be looking at you and they're laughing. Okay? Para kang ikaw lang ang pag-uusapan, di ba? So, anyway, this is just only a advice for you. Okay? So, hindi naman kailangan na mamahalin. It doesn't mean that you need to buy expensive accessories. Okay? Just, even if it is not expensive, as long as it will match to your outfit. Okay? So, please check out my other jewelry review so that you can get some ideas and tips. Okay? So hanggang dito na lang, till here, and this is my bracelet review. This is a bracelet Topaz with different design with gold chain, handmade by Truly Yours, Rafthelsa Vlogs, and this is my bracelet. Ciao! Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share. Bye bye. See you in my next premiere.